Okay, welcome back again guys. Tua hi ko lai photo. Ba ka chi han den na. Chop khat bo den a chai chan ne le pe den kan tim na ke. Let's go. Hello, lo mi sa to ka ka so. Yo.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Na jing ke ye lai san. Okay. Kap ke ti na. Hiểu. Good. Bỏ ngal lại na. Kya cho. Guys, amun hi anop mo po na hi wanga tilo pi bit hi. Tai dia di sana, dia di sana ni lai mesin nak pakai. Van to tai cái ngâm đã tai van là liền, đang nó chỉ là đang chơi. Thế mà, cái long tận tận này ông đi tới cái long rồi là nó sẽ. Tan. Anh lên lại cái page. Phong bia sẽ ta xịn thằng nó lại sẽ rồi. Đọt ta này thì sao? Nisa isuno ya piva tayo to guys ta hilai chep na cái ni mi dating hung na cái ni pasal cái ni không ba mấy han hilai các gã cả kiện phạt phạt là ngan chi chị đi tắm. Ừ. Đây pan gà đi to rồi anh Tín. Cita-cita. Dari tàu đỏ phạt. Cita lah. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Time to go.
Time to leave.
Anh nô mê hủy nôn cho nôm ta lắm lắm. Cái hình hút hút này thì là cái dòng gì vậy ta? Hai ly chưa? Phải phải. Cô luôn hả?
Ta lúc đó gì đâu cả.
Nó mê. Anh nó mê. This is the pilot and that's the thing hang. Pilot. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you next time. Okay. Nice ride.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell can make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm not immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah.